In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set an image as a slide background in PowerPoint step by step in the quickest and easiest way possible. This is a super useful trick if you want to make your presentation look more professional, more branded, or just a little more visually interesting than a plain solid color background. Whether you're creating a school presentation, a business deck, a marketing pitch, or a personal slideshow, using an image as your background can instantly improve the overall design. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy PowerPoint tutorials just like this. Let's get started. First, open your PowerPoint presentation and go to the slide where you want to add the image background. If you only want the image on one slide, make sure that slide is selected before you continue. If you want the same background on every slide, you can still follow the same steps and apply it to all at the end. Now, the first thing you need to do is right-click directly on the slide background. Make sure you click on an empty area of the slide, not on any text box, shape, or image that's already on the slide. When you right-click, a menu will appear. From that menu, click Format Background. This will open the background formatting panel on the right side of the screen. Once the Format Background panel is open, look for the fill options. Here, you'll want to select Picture or Texture Fill. This tells PowerPoint that you want to use an image instead of a solid color or gradient. After selecting that option, you'll see more image settings appear below. Next, click Insert, then choose from File. This lets you browse your computer and pick the image you want to use as the background. A file window will open, so now just find the image you want, click on it, and then click Insert. PowerPoint will load the image and place it as the slide background. At this point, you should immediately see the slide updated with your chosen image. If the image looks good and you want to use it on every slide in the presentation, click Apply to All. This is optional, so only use it if you want the same background across the entire deck. If you skip this step, the background will only apply to the current slide, and that's it. Your image is now set as the slide background in PowerPoint. It's a simple process, but it can make a huge difference in how your slides look and feel. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more quick PowerPoint tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.